This video is going to show how to perform a temperature sweep in PSpice Designer. While ideal simulations can be used to approximate optimal component values for a circuit, circuits don't operate under ideal conditions in the real world. Factors such as temperature variations can skew measurement results enough to nullify ideal simulation results. To ensure your circuit functions as intended across its operating temperature range, quickly and easily perform a temperature sweep in PSpice Designer. Start by opening the provided design in PSpice Designer. First, we'll place a transistor with a temperature-sensitive model. Select Place Component from the menu. The Component Explorer tab opens. From here, you can place symbols with SPICE models pre-assigned, as well as symbols with footprints and 3D models pre-mapped from SymAccess, Ultra Librarian, and more. You also have access to shared workspaces for cloud-based library management. Ensure the PSpice category is selected and enter the part number into the search field. Press Enter to search. For this example, we will place an IRF 5305 P-channel MOSFET. Select the desired component from the list. A preview of the symbol is shown in the panel. Since this symbol is meant for simulation, there is no associated PCB footprint. To place the component, right-click and select Place or double-click the entry on the list. Press R on the keyboard to rotate and H to flip horizontally as needed. Click to place the MOSFET in the empty space in the schematic. When finished, right-click and select End Mode. Now let's create a simulation profile to run a temperature sweep. Select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. The new simulation window opens. Enter a name for the simulation and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. The Simulation Settings window opens to the General Settings subpanel. Here you can configure settings such as the type of simulation to run, the time resolution, and additional options such as sweeps. Enter 400 milliseconds for the run-to time. Check the option for temperature sweep to enable the temperature sweep. The temperature sweep subpanel opens. Select the option to repeat the simulation for each temperature. Temperatures are defined in the temperature list text field. Enter the temperatures at which to run the simulation, separated by spaces. For this example, we will run the simulation at 0, 25, 50, and 75 degrees Celsius. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Before the simulation can be run, we need to place probes to define the parameters to plot. Select the voltage level marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe at the output net. Right-click and select End Mode. We are ready to run the simulation. Select PSpice Run from the menu. When the simulation finishes, the PSpice AD window opens to the Available Sections window. Here you can define which temperature sweeps to view data from. We'll view the data from all sweeps. Choose All to select all sections and click OK. The simulation results are plotted. Each trace shows a different temperature. In this example, the green trace shows the simulation output when the simulation is run at 0 degrees Celsius. The graph shows a linear increase in output voltage, indicating constant current, indicating that the MOSFET is operating in the saturation mode. For a finer temperature sweep with more runs, let's run a parametric sweep. Close the PSpice AD window. Back in the schematic, select PSpice Edit Simulation Profile from the menu. The Simulation Settings window opens. Uncheck Temperature Sweep and check Parametric Sweep. The Parametric Sweep subpanel opens. Here you can define all parameters for any parametric sweep. Select Temperature for the sweep variable. Set the sweep type to linear, the start value to 0, the end value to 75, and the increment to 5. This will sweep the ambient temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius in 5-degree steps. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. To run the simulation again, select PSpice Run from the menu. When the simulation finishes, the Available Sections window opens to a much longer list of runs. Select All and click OK to view all runs. The results are plotted on the PSpice AD window. The trend is the same, a linear increase in output voltage with a lower starting point at lower ambient temperatures. To view the finer plots in more detail, use the Zoom Area tool to zoom into the traces. Quickly and easily perform a temperature sweep in PSpice Designer to analyze circuit functionality in varying environmental conditions and ensure successful operation of your PCB. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.